Granny Fixit and the Ball. Illustrated by Gustavo Mazzali. It's a beautiful day. There are some children playing in the park. They're playing basketball and football and riding bikes and skateboarding. Everyone is very happy. Oh, there's Granny Fixit. She is talking to a boy with a ball. Paul kicks the ball and... Oh dear, the ball is in the tree and... Now it's time for lunch. Now the park is quiet, or is it? Granny Fixit is talking to the ball. The ball isn't happy. Help! I don't like this. Just a minute, please. Granny Fixit wants to help the ball. She puts her hand in her small yellow bag. What's in there? Oh, it's a ladder. A long ladder. Granny Fixit has the ball. She puts it on her head, but the ball isn't happy. Oh, I don't like this. Be quiet. Don't worry. Granny Fixit puts the ball under the tree and goes to sleep. Now the ball is happy. Oh no! A dog has the ball. Granny Fixit isn't happy. Oh good! A ball? A ball for me! Come on, come back. Granny Fixit puts her hand in her small yellow bag. What's in there? It's a skateboard. The dog goes away with the ball. The ball isn't happy. Granny Fixit jumps on the skateboard. She wants to get the ball. Granny Fixit and the dog are in the street. There are a lot of cars and lorries and motorbikes and buses. The small dog has the football. The small dog has the football. Granny Fixit, can you fix it? Granny Fixit, can you fix it? Can you get the ball for Paul? Granny Fixit wants the ball. Wait! Granny Fixit puts her hand in her small yellow bag. What's in there? It's a bone. The dog sees the bone and drops the ball. Now the ball is happy. What's that? Hurrah! A bone. A bone for me. Oh no! Now a cat has the ball. The ball is angry. Oh good! A ball? A ball for me. Come back. The orange cat has the football. The orange cat has the football. Granny Fixit, can you fix it? Granny Fixit, can you fix it? Can you get the ball for Paul? Granny Fixit wants the ball. She gets a fish from her small yellow bag. The cat sees the fish and drops the ball. The ball is happy. Yummy, yummy. Fish for lunch. Oh no! Now a squirrel has the ball. The ball is very angry. Granny Fixit follows the squirrel on her skateboard. Oh good! A ball! A ball for me! Come back! Now the squirrel has the football. Now the squirrel has the football. Granny Fixit, can you fix it? Granny Fixit, can you fix it? Can you get the ball for Paul? Granny Fixit can't see the squirrel on the ball. Where's the ball? Where's the squirrel? Oops! There is the ball. Boing! Hello! And there is a squirrel. Sorry, Granny Fixit. The squirrel is smiling. The tree is smiling. The ball is smiling. Granny Fixit is trying not to smile, but she's smiling too. Well, well, well. There you are. Hello, Granny Fixit. Who are you talking to? Now Paul has the ball again. He's very happy. Oh, hello, Paul. Here is your ball. Thank you. Thank you very much. Turn to the activity pages. Now I want you to label the pictures and draw a line to show in order where the ball goes in the story. Now I'll give you a minute to think about it.